This quick guide will teach you how to set up memberships or subscriptions in Acuity scheduling. Whether you're a small business owner or a service provider, offering memberships or subscriptions can be a game changer for your recurring revenue. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're logged in, take a look at your dashboard and focus on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of options that help you customize and control your scheduling system. What you're looking for is the appointment types section. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Now that you've accessed the appointment types, it's time to add a membership or subscription. In Acuity, memberships are handled as add-ons to your appointment types. So the next step is to locate and select the add-ons option. This is where you'll create the structure for your membership or subscription offering. Once you're in the add-on section, you'll begin by adding a title for your membership or subscription. Choose a name that clearly represents what you're offering. This could be something like monthly wellness plan or weekly yoga classes. A clear and descriptive title helps clients understand what they're signing up for at a glance. The next component is setting the price. Decide on a price point that reflects the value of the services or products included in the membership. In this section, you'll also need to define the billing range. This determines how frequently your clients will be charged, whether that's monthly, weekly, or another interval that suits your business model. In addition to the standard price and billing interval, you'll need to specify an initial payment. This initial payment might be the same as the regular billing amount, or it could be a special introductory rate to attract new clients. Consider what makes sense for your business and what might entice potential subscribers. With the pricing and payment details sorted out, it's important to link this membership or subscription to specific appointment types. This is where you connect the dots between the membership and the services you offer. In Acuity, linking to appointment types ensures that clients who subscribe can seamlessly book the services included in their membership. You can link multiple appointment types to a single membership if you're offering a package deal. It's a good idea to review all the details you've entered to make sure everything aligns with your business goals and client expectations. Double check the title, price, initial payment, and any linked appointment types. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a membership or subscription in Acuity scheduling. This setup allows you to offer consistent value to your clients while generating dependable revenue for your business. Remember to market your new offering to your existing clients and through your social media channels to maximize interest. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Acuity scheduling account.